Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how you can do multiplication in Airtable. So this is a base and here I have two columns, I have two fields. First field is amount spent and the second field is price paid. And I want to know I want to get the multiplication of these two items. So I want 50 to be multiplied by 40 and the result to be displayed in the next field. Then I want 10 to be multiplied by its respective field and the result to be displayed in the next field. So basically I want to do multiplication of these two columns or these two fields. So the way I do it is I add a new field by pressing this button, and I add a formula field by selecting formula. Then I can name it multiplication, and then here under formula I have to click here, and now I have to add the name of the first column. So the first column is amount spent. I have to write amount, and as you can see on the bottom it automatically gives us our column name. We just have to click here, it adds our column automatically. Then we have to add multiplication symbol or asterisk. Then we have to add the name of second column or second field, which is price paid. So just add price, and as you can see it automatically gives price paid column on the bottom. Select it, and all you have to do now is to press create field and you're done. So as you can see, now this multiplication column multiplies 50 by 40 and displays the result here, which is 2000. 10 multiplied by 10, result is 100 stored here. 25 by 20, 500, 15 by 10, 150, and 40 by 35 is 1400. So this is how you multiply two fields or two values in Airtable. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.